Okay, Google, turn on studio lights.
Got it. Turning the studio lights on.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another tech video. This video is going to be a Christmas haul. So, this is just me telling you guys what I got for Christmas, and then I'll do an individual video probably on each of these later on. But yes, let's jump straight into this. First up, the first present, this will go in chronological order. So, the first present I received was this little Fortnite chest from my fellow YouTube friend, Evergreen ASMR. And he got me this because it's kind of a running joke between us that every time he hears about the game Fortnite, he thinks of me for some reason, even though I don't even like Fortnite that much. So in this little loot crate, we get some two barrier wall things. We get a cape. Very nice. We get a green pump shotgun. Yep, a green pump shotgun. Very cool. A blue light machine gun. And two little dual pistol things. Purple ones. So that was pretty cool. That was a fun little present that he got from Kmart. And for his present from me, I got him a milk frother because he hates milk frothers. Don't know why, he's just got a weird hatred for him. And this will now go on my shelf. No idea where. For now, we will sit it here. Boom, right there. You can't even see it. And I got that the Friday before Christmas because, yeah, that's when we were together. Up next, I woke up and I got this, which is a Nintendo branded Joy-Con charger. So it charges 4 Joy-Cons at a time, which is good because I have pink, green, blue, red. So I got 6. 2 of them can charge on my Switch at all times, and the other 2 can charge on these bad boys, which is very cool. And that will sit on my shelf, on my Switch shelf right here somewhere. And that was from Jesse's mum and dad, which is very nice, and I really like this. After that, I opened my present from Jesse, which was this Chromecast Ultra, which is the Google branded smart TV kind of device. So you plug it into the back of your TV and it works like a smart TV, and you can use all your Google Homes to play Netflix, play YouTube, Spotify, 9Now, ABC iView, Foxtel Now, Google Photos, Facebook Stan, all of them. I was just reading it. So all of them you can use on that. There will be a separate video on this one. And this one. Don't really need to do one on the Fortnite chest because I just did it pretty much. But yes, I really like this. This does 4K, which is very, very nice. Very happy with that. I just need a 4K TV for that to work properly. Probably should have got that first, but I really like this. It pretty much future-proofs my smart home life because it's the 4K one and not just the HD one. After that, I went to Jesse's family lunch, and her Nan and Pop gave me a TPLink smart plug, which I'm gonna set up to my studio light. Turn on studio lights.
Got it. Turning the studio lights on.
You can use it with your Google Homes and everything else. So, really excited about that. After that, I might do a full video on that. It's nothing really that impressive in the box because it's just the smart plug, but I might do a setting it up. But after that, I went to my house for my lunch dinner thing, and my brother's girlfriend gave me another TP-Link smart plug, which I will set up somewhere else in my house. So now I have 2 of them, which is very cool, very nice. So yeah, I'll set them up in my house, which will be very fun. After that, I opened the present from my mum, and as all mums do, they give you the best present that you could ask for. And I got some jockeys. So I got some Bonds jocks. I got 7 pairs from my mum, and they're all like florally patterned and really nice, because I don't know, I like interesting designs. And I wanted them all to have like white bands here instead of the black ones, but some of them have white, some of them have black, some of them have blue, and I think some of them even have grey. So yeah, I'm really happy with all of them. They're really comfortable, and they were on sale for a good price. The guy in the store said that they were because I kind of bought them myself. Mum just sent me money so I could pick out the ones that I wanted. But the guy in the store said this was the best deal that they had ever had, because normally it's 40% off, but this was 7 for 99, which is cool. And then probably the most expensive present I got was from both my brothers, so they didn't buy it. Not one person bought me this individually. This was from 2 people. And I got the Google Home Hub. And yeah, this is the new tablet screen smart home display from Google. Now, my brother was like kind of hinting at getting me one in the store the other day, and he was like, oh, do you want the JBL one, which is pretty much the same thing, just better speakers, or like would you want the Google branded one? And I was like, the Google branded one, because I don't know, it's just cohesive and it looks good with the rest of the stuff. And he said to one of his work colleagues, because he works at a tech store, his friend said, why don't you just get the JBL one, because it's got better speakers and it's pretty much the same price. He goes, no, already spoke to him about this. My brother, he's a collector, so he wants what he wants. And he's right, I do want what I want. So this is probably the biggest present, well, in size it is the biggest, but in price it's probably the biggest present that I got, and I'm very happy with that. But I'm not undermining anything. These TP-Link smart plugs will be very, very helpful. The Chromecast I will set up in my bedroom or in my lounge room, and that will just make life heaps easier, because I can just tell Google to start a show, and by the time I walk into my room, the show will pretty much be on. And then this will just be very, very convenient, because I can charge all my Joy-Cons rather than having to swap them out on the dock. I can just leave this on my shelf and they'll charge. I will need to set up my shelves by drilling a hole in the back of them so that all the stuff can go to my PowerPoint, but that is for another day. And so yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. I would love to hear what you guys got for Christmas, so leave that in the comments below. You can check the description, and that will take you to my gaming channel, also my Patreon page if you wish to support. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade my tiers, so yeah, if you want to support me, now is a good time to do it. You can support you can support me however many dollars a month. My current supporters are Rhea and Galactical Cow. I'd just like to thank you guys very much. You guys help me do videos. No matter how much you guys give me, it doesn't really matter. It just, yeah, it feels nice to know that people actually like my videos and support my videos. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, goodbye, have fun, and I'll see you all next time. Hey Google, turn off studio lights.
Got it. Turning the studio lights off.